Hey friends, welcome back to another value-packed episode. I'm your host, and if you're tired of sending out dozens of applications only to hear crickets, this one is going to change the game for you. Today we're going deep on 3 things that separate candidates who get FAANG offers from those who stay stuck. Building a magnetic resume, beating the dreaded applicant tracking systems, and mastering the strategies that actually crack those intense FAANG interviews. I've seen too many talented engineers with strong experience get completely ignored. The truth is, it's not always about your skills, it's about how you present them. Let's fix that right now. Part 1. Building a resume that demands attention. Let's start with the foundation, your resume. Most people treat it like a boring history document. Big mistake. At companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft, recruiters spend an average of just 7.4 seconds scanning a resume before deciding yes or no. So, how do you win those precious seconds? First, lead with results, not responsibilities. Instead of writing "managed a team of developers," write "led a cross-functional team of 8 engineers that delivered a new payment system, reducing transaction failures by 67%, and saving the company over $340,000 every quarter." See the difference? Numbers, impact, scale. Always try to quantify your achievements. Revenue generated, costs reduced, users impacted, performance improved, time saved. If you don't have exact numbers, estimate conservatively and be ready to explain them in the interview. Second, use powerful action verbs right at the beginning of every bullet point. Spearheaded, architected, optimized, accelerated, transformed, drove. These words create instant energy. Third, tailor every single application. Take the job description, highlight the top 8 to 10 keywords and responsibilities, then naturally weave them into your bullet points. Don't keyword stuff, that looks robotic. Make it read like a human who perfectly matches what they need. Also, focus on the last 10 to 12 years of experience for most mid to senior roles. Keep the resume to one clean page if possible. Use consistent formatting, plenty of white space, and standard fonts. Your resume should feel effortless to read. One more thing most people ignore. Add a small projects or technical skills section with relevant tools and technologies mentioned in the JD. This helps both humans and machines notice you. Part 2. Crushing ATS systems. Don't let robots reject you. Now let's talk about the invisible wall standing between you and the recruiter. Applicant tracking systems, or ATS. Over 90% of Fortune 500 companies and most big tech firms use them. These systems parse your resume, score it against the job description, and rank you before any human ever sees it. Fail here and you're out, no matter how good you are. Here's exactly how to beat them. Use standard section titles only: professional experience, education, skills, and projects. Avoid creative headings like "My Career Story" or "Where I Excel." Save your file as a .docx or a clean text-based PDF. Never use scanned PDFs or heavy graphics, tables, columns, text boxes, or headers and footers. Most ATS systems choke on them. Incorporate exact keywords and phrases from the job description, especially hard skills and tools. For example, if they want Kubernetes, AWS, microservices, make sure those appear naturally in your experience bullets. Keep your formatting super simple. Left-aligned text, standard bullet points, and no special characters. Use common fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman between 10 and 12 points. I've personally seen candidates go from 0 responses to multiple interview invites at FAANG-level companies just by reformatting their resume into an ATS-optimized version. It's that powerful. Quick tip: after you build it, test it on free ATS scanners available online before you hit submit. Part 3. How to actually crack FAANG interviews. Alright, you beat the ATS and landed the interview. Now the real challenge begins. FAANG interviews test 4 pillars: coding and algorithms, system design, behavioral and leadership, and sometimes domain-specific knowledge. For coding rounds, consistency beats intensity. Solve 4 to 5 LEET code problems every day focusing on patterns, sliding window, two-pointers, binary search, graphs, dynamic programming. Practice explaining your thought process out loud as if you're in the real interview. System design interviews separate seniors from the rest. Always start by clarifying requirements, talk about scale, discuss trade-offs between different technologies, and then go into components like databases, caching, load balancing, and API design. Resources like Grokking the System Design Interview or Alex Shu's books are excellent. Behavioral questions are where many strong coders fail. Master the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Prepare 6 to 8 versatile stories covering leadership, failure, conflict, innovation, and delivering under pressure. Research the company's leadership principles, Amazon's 16 principles, Google's googliness, Meta's focus on moving fast, and align your stories to them. Finally, ask smart questions at the end. It shows genuine interest and strategic thinking. Closing an actionable next step. Look, doing all of this manually is exhausting and time-consuming. That's exactly why platforms like InterviewBetter.io were built. Their AI analyzes any job description, instantly rewrites your resume with powerful quantified bullets, makes it perfectly ATS friendly, and even runs realistic mock interviews with detailed feedback on coding, system design, and behavioral rounds. Thousands of candidates have used it to go from rejections to multiple offers at top tech companies. If you're serious about landing your next big role in 2026, don't leave it to chance. Head over to InterviewBetter.io right now. The link is in the show notes. You can get a free resume scan and your first mock interview. That's all for today's episode. If you found this helpful, please share it with one friend who's job hunting right now. Drop your biggest resume struggle or interview question in the comments. I read every single one. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and go crush those applications.